Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a golden coloring for your videos on CapCut. So first, you just need to add your clips and then prepare an orange color background. Then just add it as overlay to your clip. Okay, so go to overlay and then add the orange photo. Then just fit the size to fully cover your clips and then go to blend, overlay, and then lower the opacity to your liking. I'm going to go with 25. Click on a check icon, then go to the video effects, lens, and then add the edge glow effect and adjust the glow to your liking. Okay, I'm going to go with 20. Okay, apply it to all of the clip. Then after that, you can go to adjust and set the coloring, the brightness first to your liking, or it depends on your video. So I adjust the brightness, sharpen to 100, and highlight. Okay, so now you are done, and this will be the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. This is how you can get the golden coloring. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye.